Welcome to Heriman classes, dear friends. Today we are going to study about the clauses. Here, three clauses are there. One is noun clause, and second one is adjective clause, and third one is adverb clause. So, here in this video, I will explain only noun clauses. And noun clause always in the subordinate clause. Noun clause always in the subordinate clause. And now subordinate clauses are starting from the subordinating conjunctions. Okay. And in a if we make a question from ವಾಟದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದು ನೌನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು noun clause as a subject. So noun clause will be in the subject sometimes, and noun clause will be object in sometimes, and noun clause will be sometimes complement, and noun clause will be sometimes from object of preposition. So I have collected here 9 points. So I will show you, dear friends, and if you seen this writing form, it will more clear to you. Okay, I will show you. Noun clause. So I will give you one example. I don't know what he wanted. Here it is a main clause. I don't know. And what he wanted, it is a subordinate clause. And it is a noun clause. So noun clause find in the subordinate clause I have written. And noun clause begin with the words such as who, when, where, that, how, if, whether, whom, whose, whomever, whatever, whichever, whenever or linkers. Okay. ಇನ್ನು ವಾಟದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವ ಉತ್ತರ ಅದು ನೌನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ noun clause. So finite verbs and non-finite verbs will be there. Means 2 plus v or v3 or v plus ing will be there. And then example, to leave the matter at this would be questioning, and this is the rule number 4. So number 5, this is the main rule, means important rule. As a subject, noun clause will be there. Means if we make the sentence subject plus verb plus object. So here what he wants is a crumb of food, and this is the sentence. And what he wanted, this is the noun clause. And again I will give you an example. What he did made everyone angry, and this is the noun clause. How she thinks is mystery to me, and this is the noun clause. Means these noun clauses shows as the subject of the sentence. Okay, and some shows as a subject in the sentence, and they will noun clause. And next, sixth rule is there, important rule. As an object there will be a noun clause in the sentence. So I will give you example. I don't remember what he wanted. I don't remember what he wanted. Here I don't remember what he wanted, it is a noun clause. So noun clause is there in the place of object. And first we have seen noun clause in the subject. So he claims to be an expert, and this is the part noun clause. So he did what you wanted, this is the noun clause. So dear friends, I hope you understood. And number 4 example, he asked me where I was going, and this is the noun clause. And noun clause as an indirect object. So I will give you an example, it will be more clear to you. You should send whomever you want the invitation, and this is the noun clause. And you shall do whatever you want, this is the noun clause. And noun clause as a subject complement. Example I will give you, it will more clear to you. You are not what he pretends, this is the noun clause. He is not doing what I wanted, this is the noun clause. And noun clause as an object of a preposition. So I will give you example. You should think about why you are here. This is the noun clause with the preposition. And send this invitation to whomever you want through preposition, by preposition. This is the noun clause. Dear friends, if you want to find the noun clause, you should search the noun clauses in the subordinate clause. So I hope you understood. Okay. If you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. If you like our video, please share to your friends, and if you have comments, please comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.